So say we have a character here who is on a cliff and we're going to have our character just kind of hanging on a cliff, hanging off the edge like this. Now, this allows us to see where the character is, but it doesn't really give us an emotional viewpoint to what's going on with the character. So, if instead I do the same drawing but from a different viewpoint, well, now I can see what's going on with the character. I can see what's going on emotionally. Now, I might want to use both of these different shots back to back to give an impact to the audience. So let's do another example here. A lot of times when I would start to do a piece of animation, I would just plop the horizon line in the back and put the character right in the middle. So say I have a character who is walking along. Now, this doesn't necessarily give me the most interesting viewpoint. Now, it's pretty clear, and even if I have a good drawing, though, it may not be the best way to stage it. Instead, I could do something along these lines, which is to drop that horizon line out of the middle, create a sense of perspective, and now put the character over to one side. This becomes much more interesting and dynamic. The character seems to have a viewpoint. I seem to have more of a sense of life with the character doing exactly the same thing. So staging is how we present the information to the audience. Now we can go even further if we want to go and see a viewpoint of the character. Now we can cut in close and we can get a sense of what's going on emotionally with the character, and we can also add in multiple ideas with a character in the background. Now I can see something that's going on outside of the viewpoint of the character, and I can also see the emotion of what's going on here. All of this is much more interesting than if I just draw it from profile right in the center of the screen.